Journaling has many benefits for mental health and personal growth, including reducing stress and anxiety. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process and manage difficult emotions and can serve as a form of emotional release. Boosting mood and positivity. Focusing on the positive things in your life through gratitude journaling can help you cultivate a more positive outlook. Increasing self-awareness. Reflective journaling can help you gain insights into your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and can help you identify patterns or areas for personal growth. Improving creativity. Creative journaling can help you tap into your creativity and explore new ideas. Enhancing memory. Keeping a travel or dream journal can help you remember important experiences and details. Setting and achieving goals. Bullet journaling can help you track your progress towards your goals and stay organized. Improving overall well-being. Regular journaling can help you feel more in control of your life, increase self-confidence, and improve overall mental and emotional well-being. Improving overall well-being. Regular journaling can help you feel more in control of your life, increase self-confidence, and improve overall mental and emotional well-being. Overall, journaling is a powerful tool for personal growth, self-discovery, and mental health. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can continue with this channel.